What's good, YouTube? I ain't gonna lie. This gonna be like a little slight video for real. I ain't gonna really do too much. But I just noticed something too when I was driving. I'm getting 393 to the gallon. I don't normally get that much. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, in this video, I ain't gonna lie. I don't really have nothing to really talk about. I'm on my way back to the crib. I got a smooth little hour drive, so why not just pick up my phone and bring y'all boys along with me? I low-key like this road because it really don't be no cars on here. You could really push about. You could max your shit out on this road. I ain't gonna lie. It's a long stretch of nothing. But what I was about to say, I really like going on drives. Really like nighttime drives like this, something like slight. I really like doing those. Clear your head and stuff. But maybe we could get into some excitement that we can catch some. But this really just me just chilling, just driving back to the crib. I'm low-key hungry though. I don't know why I want to stop by and keep it above. Shit, I'm at 195 now. Before I got my Buffalo's delete, I was pushing about like 399 miles to the gallon. Damn near 400. But after I got my Buffalo's delete, that shit dropped tremendously. But I still push out a good amount of numbers. I don't know, for some reason it felt like it wanna bless me with some good numbers today. So I'm in the 300s now. 300 miles to the gallon. I know some people don't really be caring for real, but you gotta know if you have a V8. 300 miles. I ain't gonna say it. I ain't gonna say it's like good, but I ain't gonna say it's bad. But y'all know how the miles per gallon is on V8s, so you never know what you gonna get for real. But I might end up hitting 399 for real because it's really going up. But what's crazy is it's going up on sport mode, so I'm not really saving gas really. So I don't know why it's going up. Probably when I start pushing it, it's gonna start going back down. Right now I'm just cruising. It's a long stretch of black road, but nothing but road. You'll see a car here and there, but it's a long stretch of just nothing but road. I'm talking about if you really wanted to test your limits, it's that road. I'm at 397 now. I'm gonna see if I can hit 399 or 400 miles to the gallon. Right now it's just because I'm not pushing it, but I want to see if I can hit it before I start pushing it. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be the goal of this video. See if I can hit 400 miles to the gallon. Well, not miles to the gallon. My range is at 400. See if we can get my range up to 400, because after the Buffalo's delete, it dropped down a lot. I'm sitting at 397 right now. I'm just cruising at the moment. But we're gonna see if I can get to 400 before I start really pushing it. And for everyone that's watching, I hope y'all night or day going well, depending on when you're watching the video. Stuff like that. But yeah, and another thing is, give me some video ideas of what I should do. If y'all have anything y'all want to see or something, leave it in the comments. I'm still currently in the process of building my Jeep. Slow it down a little, handle some personal things. But once I take care of those, I'm gonna get back on building my Jeep. I don't know if y'all can hear it, the engine, or y'all can hear the wind, because I got my windows rolled down to get some air, but I might roll my truck up so y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. I'm gonna see if when I go back and look at the video, if y'all can hear anything. Cause from my point of view, the wind noises is loud, like extremely loud. Well, went from 397 down to 395 just off that little pull. So see if I can get it back up if I don't smash that. And another thing I wanted to let y'all know, it may look like that I'm well, so far, yeah. Currently, yeah, I'm only uploading POVs and stuff like that. But what I'm gonna start doing is, like, when I do like mods and stuff, I'm gonna let y'all see that, open up the channel more of doing different things other than POVs. But right now, the only thing I have right now is POVs, because I ain't really, it's popping, because I ain't really, what can I say? I'm not really doing nothing modifying wise to the Jeep currently. And I don't really be driving all the time. So when I do drive, that's when I record a POV video. So, to be honest with you, me doing POVs is rare for real. It maybe seem like that's I do it a lot, but it's really rare, because I don't really drive unless I'm going to work, really. Other than that, I'm in the crib. But when I do get out and do some little driving, you know, I'll be like, let me go ahead and crack up a video, you know what I'm saying? Let me make content while I'm out, because 99% of the time, I'm really in the crib, chilling for real. let y'all know that when y'all be saying like POVs, it be like the times when I'm leaving the crib, and sometimes I might record like 1 or 2 videos. If I'm feeling good, maybe 3 when I'm out. But most of the time, I'm really just in the crib chilling. That's why I don't really have much other content. Cause when I first started, I'm gonna give y'all a little background. When I first started and got the Jeep and everything, I did a lot of modifications to it, but at the time, I really wasn't like recording and uploading videos. So to be honest, I could have a lot of like modification videos up on my channel, but at the time I really wasn't recording and uploading videos. I really started recording and uploading videos after the modifications, and that's when I started uploading POVs. Like when I did my steering wheel swap, I could have made a video of that. I did a cluster swap, I did a video of that. When I get my cold air intake, I'm gonna definitely do a video of that. Stuff like that. When I do like modifications, like just to change up the channel a little bit, so it don't all be about POVs. It'll have like modifications and stuff like that. Like when I got my exhaust done, I could have made a video about that, but I really wasn't uploading on YouTube, nothing like that. So those are a lot of videos I missed out on, I know, but I'm gonna try to make it up in other ways, because I'm still currently in the process of still modifying my vehicle, so I'm not gonna say all the modifications are done. So I still got some videos I can upload once I get to that step or process to do that. But I'm just saying I could have more. I could have had more videos other than POVs, which really the POVs really be every blue moon, really. Well, I say when I leave the house, I do a POV. So it might be sometimes I'll leave the house all day. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I be saying. Like when I leave the house, I gotta get my videos. Cause if not, I wouldn't have nothing uploaded for real. Like I was saying, I got an hour-long drive back to the crib, so I'm not gonna make an hour-long video of me driving back to the crib, because this really ain't nothing I could really do to keep y'all entertained for an hour besides doing pulls and stuff like that, which I don't know. I do like a couple pulls here and there, but I'm just really just cruising, chilling. Talking to y'all, man, enjoying this night, for real. So I ain't gonna make this too long, but I just wanted to jump back up to 396 just from me not gassing it. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all a little bit while I'm on this little drive. Nothing special. I really hope, I ain't gonna lie, I really hope something open though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key hungry. Well, I'm not low-key, I'm high-key hungry. Keeping them up. But we'll see when I get to that point. Oh, for all the people that's watching, let me know what type of vehicles y'all have. Like, do y'all have V8s, V6s? Is y'all in the Dodge community, any other community? I want to know what y'all driving. See, me, I ain't gonna lie. I'm really a Dodge person, but I'm not one of them Mopar, no car type persons, because I had different cars. So I kind of know how I feel to have different cars. I had V6s, V8s. So I know. But I just want to know what y'all driving. The ones that's watching. What type of vehicle y'all driving. And let me know what type of modifications do you have. If you even have any modification. Or if your vehicle start. Let me know. I want to know what do y'all have. And let me know where y'all from too. I want to know where some of y'all from. Because maybe I could do a little video of us riding out or something. If we close by vicinity. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, some of your viewers, sometimes they be like in the same city or the same state as you. You know, you can do like little rides with them. So, let me know where y'all from and what type of car y'all drive. You can do a little ride out. It don't matter what you in. You know what I'm saying? All cars are welcome. Be honest. So, no matter what you in, you welcome to join the ride out. Once I get it established of what we're gonna be doing. My fault for the little cutout in the video. Man, my Apple CarPlay thing disconnected for some strange reason and ended the whole video. There go the police. You must not be running his radar because I ain't getting no notification. But yeah, my Apple CarPlay just disconnected for some reason. And cut the video out while I was mid talking. I forgot what I was even talking about. Oh yeah, I was talking about ride outs. Yeah. Once we get established of where everybody from, things like that, we can do like a little ride out. Like I said before, all vehicles are welcome. Whether it's a Dodge or not, V8 or not, all vehicles are welcome. Somewhere plan. We could meet up somewhere plan, or we could just ride. Just see where life takes us for real. I ain't gonna lie, man. Now we get to the stage where cars finna be in the way now, driving slow. But no here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and I ain't gonna lie. After that, what just happened, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video, man. That little cut off from my cord just killed me just then. So I'm just going ahead and end the video before it happened again. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, comment what type of vehicle y'all drive. Let me know if it's modified or if it's not. Let me know where y'all from. If you're from my state or city. So we can do like a little ride out or something. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoy the video. That's about it. I'm gonna see y'all next time.